Ultimize. Welcome to the Daily Breathing Reset. This is not a traditional podcast. It's a limited series podcast. You're not meant to listen to every episode in order. This is a simple, structured breathing tool designed to help you lower your heart rate, calm your nervous system, reduce stress, and regain control in just a few minutes. You'll see several versions in this feed. There's a 1-minute reset for when you need immediate relief, a 3-minute session for a quick reset between meetings, a 5-minute version for daily stress control, a 10-minute session for deeper regulation, and a 15-minute session for a full nervous system downshift. Every episode follows the same structure. The only difference is the length. Here's how to use this podcast. Sample a few versions, choose the one that fits your schedule. Then practice it once a day. At the same time, repetition builds control. Breath control builds nervous system control. Nervous system control builds composure. If you ever feel lightheaded during a session, simply return to normal breathing. There's nothing to achieve here, no performance, no competition. Just steady, guided breathing to help you reset. Pick your length, do it daily. I'm TJ Walker. This is Ultimize. Let's begin.